Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coding Lovers. We are going to discuss about switch case. Those switch case statements are similar to other programming languages like C, C++ and Java. Switch case statements are alternative way of writing if else. You don't need to provide break statement after each case which is required in other programming languages. I have already created the file switch.go. If you will see the file, first statement is package main, import format, func main. Then I have defined the problem. Switch will take integer as a parameter. If int is 1, print case 1. If int is 2, print case 2. If int is 3 or 4, print case 3, 4. Else no case. Now we will program. We will take an integer variable I equal to 2. Switch I, bracket is not required. Now we will write the case. Case 1, format.println, case 1. In Go, no break statement is required for each case, end of each case. So we can copy and paste this again and again. First, I have written and I have copied this, paste to case 2. It will print case 2. We can write multiple case comma separated 3, 4. It will print case 3, 4. If no case match, then we can write default statement. It will print no case. So our code is ready. We can run it. Let me explain once more code. I have taken 2, I equal to 2, switch I, we don't require any kind of bracket. Case 1, it will print case 1. We don't require break statement after each case. If case 2, it will print case 2. We can write multiple case, comma separated. So case 3, 4, it will print case 3, 4. Default, it will print no case. So we can run case.go. Go run switch.go. Case 2. Now we can change the value. We can take 4 equal to 4. Then it should print case 3, 4, which is correct. Now we can change the value and we can take it 40. So no case will match. It should print no case. So code is working perfectly fine. Now we will solve old if else problems using switch case. If marks is greater than or equal to 75, print D. If mark is less than 75, greater than or equal to 60, print F. If mark is less than 60, greater than or equal to 45, print S. If mark is less than 45, then greater than or equal to 33, print T. If less than 33, print FA. So instead of if else, we will solve using it switch. M equal to 79. Switch. In Go, we can write switch without any parameter. So we are not taking anything as a parameter. Case M greater than or equal to 75 empty.println D. Now we can copy and paste the case and update the value. If M is less than 75 and M is greater than or equal to 60, we can print F. What is third logic? If m is less than 60, greater than or equal to 45, we can print s. What is fourth logic? If m is less than 45, greater than or equal to 33, we can print t. Default, we can print fa. Now our code is ready, we can run and test. Go run switchmarks.go. It should print D, which is correct. Now we should take a number 47. It should print S. This is also correct. Thanks for watching Coding Lovers. Like and subscribe.